I want you to close your eyes and envision this. You're going about your regular day and you get a notification on your phone saying that you got $200. Now a little while later, you get another notification, but this time it says that you got $300. I want you to hold on to that feeling as you watch this video, because after watching, you will be sure to experience that if you pay close attention and make sure to follow all the steps that I will be teaching you today, aside from being very easy and simple, it's also free to get started, so you have nothing to lose at all. This is an earning method where you won't be required to have such a vast experience or intimate knowledge about difficult things. No hard work or tedious effort needed, nor does it require any technical skills. All it needs is a little bit of your time. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or America, or anywhere at all, you can get started and earn money. This isn't an MLM. There's no selling or affiliate marketing involved, and it's not a scam. It's 100% legitimate and easy. So, follow along with the video where we teach you all the steps necessary so you can get started with making easy money online. In any case, I'm extremely eager to share this with you, and I trust that you're just about energized as I am. So if it's not too much trouble, watch the video and don't skip anything, since I'll show you an extraordinary reward stunt that you can without much of a stretch. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money online. I will keep this video short and sweet because today I will show you a couple of sites where you can earn money, so I'll be brief about each one so I can share with you all of them. So how about we start with the first one, GoTranscript.com. On this website, you can go after records positions, which are fairly basic even for anybody with no related knowledge or prior experience. In order to earn money, you will be given a sound recording that you should pay attention to. Furthermore, you must type it into composed words, basically just listening into the audio and making sure to type along as you hear it. By taking on transcription jobs from this website, you can earn up to 60 cents per video minute. But don't worry, there's no limit on how many times you can repeat this. You can earn so much. You might think this is troublesome work. However, don't be too worried, because I will teach you a technique where you wouldn't need to work and will let you get the job done on autopilot. So just scroll a bit and click Apply Now, where you'll need to enter an email address and password for your account. And you'll be able to start making income right away. The second website is called Scribey.com. And again, just like GoTranscript.com, it's the same type of task that you need to do, listening to the audio and then transcribing them. And on this website, you can make 10 cents per minute or $5 to $25 per audio hour pay rate, which they will send directly over to your PayPal account. But again, don't worry about the technical aspect of it for now, because I will show you a very easy trick that will help you with these websites in just a second, where you can sit back and relax if you employ these strategies for your money earning. So if you scroll down at the bottom of Scribey.com, you can sign up for the website and start earning money. But before we get to the part where I'll teach you how to do this task in less than a minute, I will show you another secret technique that will help generate you passive income. Both of these websites have an affiliates feature, where it will provide you with a link that you can refer to your friends and family. Maybe post them on Facebook or other online forums. If they click on your link and apply for the website, you will start generating some passive income online without any stress or work getting done. But this is completely optional and just a nice little Easter egg that can be an addition to your transcription gig. You can definitely just ignore that part and work on the transcriptions task, because I will tell you a technique that will let you easily complete those projects without breaking a sweat or without straining anything at all. Now, what's the secret website that will help you with these transcription tasks? Well, this is the best part. If you download this application called NCH Software on nchsoftware.com, you can easily complete your task with just one click of a button, because it's a software that will automatically transcribe the audios for you without any hassle. All you have to do is download the application and upload your file into the software, and it will start doing all the work for you. This is a free app that you can download right away, and you can use it for your transcription jobs. It's 100% easy and simple. No need to pay for it at all. Now that I've walked you through everything, you can go ahead and start doing it on your own. Remember that a little time and effort goes a long way, so don't be afraid to start. These websites are 100% legitimate, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some income online. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with all your friends and be able to help out others too.